We decided to start this bike ride in honor of Randy because he and I rode for 40 years on a tandem throughout Cache Valley. Randy Wirth Half Century Ride is a nonprofit. The importance of it is to hopefully raise funds to plant trees between downtown Logan and the university to increase bird habitat. We're looking to make this a sustainable annual event in Cache Valley. It will always be in May. There were 75 that registered to ride. 55 came to ride that day, either a half century ride or a quarter century. When you cycle on the roads with motor vehicles, you have to be safe and you also have to be seen. You can't assume that someone is going to see you. You have to be proactive and make sure that you're seen. Our intrinsic values and what we have found to be true for us and good for us permeate every layer of our lives. It's the beauty of the valley and how accessible it is and how great it was to ride in this valley. I think cycling is an incredibly healthy exercise, and I am so glad that people want to participate, see the beauty of the valley, and support increasing bird habitat in Logan, Utah. And remember Randy Wirth.
Yay!